Um, my favorite website is YouTube. It is a place where people can watch and share videos. Mm, the main purpose of YouTube is to provide and entertainment, education, and useful information. The website has a simple layout with a search bar at the top, a menu on the left, and recommend videos in the center. The right background make the text and image clear. clear. It also supports many languages, so people around the world can use it uh, easily. YouTube gets millions of hits and view every day. When I use YouTube, I often watch tutorials, music videos, and drawing content. I like this website because it is free, easy to use, and it has beginners while also learning new things.